back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing the nothing over $10 makeup tutorial for you guys, and I'm so excited. So I have about 99% all affordable products on my face, minus one product. My brows are not affordable. I actually ran out of my product that I use that is super affordable for my brows, but everything else on my face is all affordable drugstore makeup. So let's just go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Alrighty, so the very first thing that I always start out with when applying my makeup is my foundation. And the foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is only $5.99, so this is literally at the perfect price range for this tutorial. So this is in the shade Nude Ivory, and they have over 26 shades of this foundation. This is my favorite foundation. I use this foundation every single day. It has a semi-matte finish. It kind of looks a little satin on your skin. I just love it, so that is what I'm going to be using. And the way that I apply this foundation is I alternate back and forth between a beauty sponge and a foundation brush. And today I'm just going to use this foundation brush. It's from e.l.f. and it's just their blending brush. So I'm just going to do that. The concealer that I'm going to be using today is the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. As you can see, this thing is literally almost empty. I'm hoping that I can go to the store today and get a new concealer, but what I use to blend out my concealer with is just this oval concealer brush from my makeup brush set. They sent me a whole brush set of these oval brushes to review, and the concealer one is my favorite one, and I seriously use this one every single day. I really do like that a lot. And I just apply a little bit of this concealer underneath my eyes. It's super lightweight underneath my eyes, and it's a very thin consistency, so it doesn't feel too thick and too heavy underneath my eyes. I really do like that a lot, and this is only $6. Concealer and the rest of my makeup in place, I use this e.l.f. pressed powder in the shade Ivory, and this is only $2 on the e.l.f. website. I have another e.l.f. product that I'm also going to use in this video. e.l.f. is a super affordable brand, and they have a ton of products that are under $10 as well on their website and at Target, so I definitely recommend that you guys check them out. But this is just what the powder looks like, and to apply that powder, I'm going to use their powder brush. my Sephora kit that my grandparents got me for Christmas to fill in my brows with, because I actually ran out of my eyebrow pencil that I use every single day, and that is the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I'll insert a picture somewhere over here of what it looks like. That is a really good and creamy eyebrow pencil, and it's only $2, so yeah. Eyebrows on, and I am good to go. So now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. Now, sometimes I don't do shadow in my everyday routine. Sometimes I'll just put mascara on and I'll just call it a day. But for today's look, I am going to be using eyeshadow because I want to give you guys a full face of makeup that is under $10. So I had a very hard time finding eyeshadows in my makeup collection that I haven't already used in tutorials that were under $10. I really wanted to use the e.l.f. eyeshadow quads, but like I said, I've already used those in a ton of tutorials, and I really just didn't want to beat a dead horse and use those again, so I decided to use my favorite CoverGirl eyeshadows, and these are so affordable and inexpensive, and they're so good. The first one that I have here is just one of their single shadows, and this is in the shade Champagne. Now, this shadow is not very pigmented, but it's very sparkly, and it's just going to give your eye that little extra something, so I really like this shadow a lot, and sometimes I will just put the shadow all over my eye and call it a day if I don't feel like doing a full eyeshadow look. And then the next thing that I had is this CoverGirl quad in the shade Shirley Nudes. Now, this is a very loved little eyeshadow palette here. As you can see, I completely used up that shade right there. This is a very good eyeshadow quad at a very good price. This is only $3, and you get 4 shadows. Like, what? That's basically a steal. Plus 2 with this little shadow quad. You can put these anywhere on your eye, and you really don't have to think about it, and it's going to give you such a beautiful, natural look. So, that is the shadows that I'm going to be using. Alright, so the very first shadow that we're going to use is this CoverGirl Single Shadow. Again, this is in the shade Champagne, and I'm just going to pop this right underneath my brow bone using the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This brush is amazing, and it's only $1, so this fits right into the price range as well. So I'm just going to get a little bit onto my brush here. And I always like to do my brow bone first. And then I'll do the rest of my shadow. Some people like to do their brow bone last, but I don't know, I'm just different. I like to do mine first. And to save us a little bit of time, I am only going to do one of my eyes on camera and then do the other eye off camera. I'm going to take that very soft tan kind of khaki color right there, and I'm going to pop that right into my crease using this pink brush from Amazon. If you guys would like to know more about my brushes and how, I use them and where I got them and everything, I actually did a whole video about my makeup brushes that I use every single day. So I have that video linked down below where you guys can check it out, because I have a ton of brushes in that video that is very affordable. So I'm just going to apply this straight to my crease using back and forth motions like windshield wipers on a car. Gonna take that very subtle, kind of pinky toned looking shadow right there, and I'm just gonna apply that straight to my lid using that e.l.f. eyeshadow brush again. Now I'm just going to take a clean eyeshadow brush with nothing on it, and I'm just going to use this to blend everything out. So that way there are no harsh lines and everything looks like it all belongs together and goes together. Alrighty, so I'm done with my eyeshadow look. I feel like this is very, very simple and very easy to do. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. And I feel like if you're a beginner at home, it's going to be very easy for you guys to recreate this look. So we're just going to leave it like it is. And now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes using my e.l.f. eyelash curler that is only $1. And this thing is so, so good. I got this at Target a couple of years ago. And it is a very nice, sturdy metal. So I really do like that a lot. It is very good. And then I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. You guys know that this is literally like my favorite mascara ever. It gives you such long and lengthened lashes, and it just really separates all of your lashes, and it just makes them so glamorous and so pretty and so long. I really do like it. And the trick to this mascara is you do have to curl your lashes to get that voluminous effect. But once you curl your lashes, it's just going to be a total game changer. So I'm just going to go do that very, very quickly. Alright, so this is what I'm going to be using for my blush, bronzer, and highlighter. And this is the Total Face Palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And it comes with 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlighter. And I really, really like this palette a lot. This retails for $6. And the shades in here are very subtle and neutral. So, yeah. And the blush that I actually used was this one right here. It's just that peachy color. So, yeah. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So for lips, I'm going to be using this Essence Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Love Me. And this is just a really pretty, subtle pink color. This reminds me of the spring and the summertime. And to be truthful with you guys, I'm just over winter already. Like, we've had a very rough winter here in Georgia. It actually snowed. So I'm really just over winter, and I'm going to use this bright pink lipstick today and just pretend that it is spring and it's summer. So yeah, these are really good. They're very creamy, they're very moisturizing, and they actually do last a really long time on your lips, and they retail for $2 at Ulta or on Essence.com. can see, they are not matte. They do have a little bit of a sheen to them. They are a satin finish. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and I really hope you all enjoyed this nothing over $10 makeup tutorial, and I hope I helped you guys get some really good insight on some really good and affordable products. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys, thanks for watching.